Hey, this is Tiffany here from Carvelo Crochets. Let's do 16 and 17 together because that day was a blur. So I took a picture by the Christmas tree at my parents' house and now I'm home.
I'm back home. And I'm very happy that I'm back home, if I'm being very honest. This weekend I was supposed to be very productive and it turned out to be very unproductive. So I am currently working on the last front panel. And we have until Thursday to get 6 orders out. We have until Thursday. We have until Thursday to get 6 orders out. So, yeah. It is now 1:12. Oh, 1:12. Dun, 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 dun. That's what makes me think of 1:12. It is 1:12. I have until 3:45, 4:15. Let's say 4:15. That's 3 hours. 3 hours to finish this front panel and put sleeves on this cardigan, get some pictures and some videos, and then run, not walk, run to the post office. Because if I can get this one out and I can get the Ariel's crown out that I finished, we will have 4 orders to have done by Thursday. So that's a little bit more doable. That's a little bit more doable. So that is the hope. That is the hope that we can get this done. I have office hours tonight at 6:30. This is the last office hours for the week because this is my last work week this week. This is my last week to work, so starting Thursday and Friday, grading overload will be, well, I'll try to have all my grades done by Wednesday, so I'll get some done tonight, and then a lot tomorrow, and then a lot the next day. But yes, this is the final countdown. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's all of that. It is all of that. Oh, it's all of that. Yeah, I really wanted this weekend to be way more productive, but it was not. And so we need to just roll with the punches. If you didn't get a chance to see my weekend, my weekend recap, you should go check that out. Because that's hilarious. That was my life for 30 days, for 3 days. 3 days just driving around the West Coast or the East Coast. This is the front panel. And this looks very good. This looks very good. I just need to keep going. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great day. And I hope that's true for you. I really wanted to put out an announcement, but to be honest with you, I can't do 5 things at once. I can only do one. And the one thing that I'm going to do right now is finish this cardigan. The rest of it will wait. Yeah, it has to wait. It has to wait for right now. So yeah. Okay, cool. Bye.
So I finished the front panel and sent the client pictures to choose how she wanted the center to look on her cardigan, and she chose the gray.
Okay. My delusion was very loud. There is no way I'm going to have this done in time for the post office today. But it will be done for tomorrow morning, so I can send it out then. This is what it looks like so far, which I think it looks really good. I still have to do this side, and there's a lot of space up front. The issue is, there is no issue. I just have to finish it. I just have to finish going down, and then I have to go down on this side and close it up. So we're almost done, but tomorrow I'll send the tracking number. Well, we missed the post office today. I wasn't finishing this in time. Thursday. We have until Thursday. This cardigan is amazing. It looks really good. She loves it. And I love it. We agreed to reduce the sleeves so that it goes in. And I think that's a good call. I love my sleeves. I think that's a good call. So that's what I'm about to do. I really actually need to make this yellow a little bit longer, so I'm gonna undo the gray and redo it, but that'll be later. I need to seam in the other side first. I think I can honestly have this done by 6:30 before my office hours tonight. So I'm gonna do that. And then tonight while I'm watching Power, I will make the hood for the Matrix hood. I did sew the eagle onto the eagle's hat. And then after I finish watching Power and finish the hood, I am going to finish the green hat and start the cardigan, the little girl cardigan that I have to do by Thursday. And then tomorrow I will finish. I have so much to do, but honestly I only have 3 orders left. I have a heavy hitter cardigan, another heavy hitter cardigan, a mocha hat with that cardigan, and I have the 5 hat bundle, which we only have 2 hats left. One is, we have 3 hats. We have 2 rows for one, about 30 rows for another, and we haven't started the 3rd one. So I brought Red Bull because I don't think there's any going to sleep. There's no going to sleep. You can't go to sleep until you're done. You can't work out, you can't do nothing. You just gotta keep going. We're almost there. Once this is done, once the Matrix hood is done, the other stuff we can do. With time we can get it done. But to be honest, now that I've done this cardigan the way that I did it, it makes me want to do the girl's cardigan this way, the long one this way, since it is still, her bust is still bigger, and this girl's bust is big, but it like worked out really well. So I don't know, I'm exhausted, and that's word to my mother. 3 days, 2 cardigans, 4 hats, and a Matrix hood. We can do hard things. Okay, bye.
Here is the final piece, and that ends Monday. Let's jump into Tuesday. Promote this piece. Found another video that I can use to promote this piece, and then I'm going to continue working on orders. So, and I have grading to do today as well, because it is still a work day. It is currently 10. 39. Okay, we can do 3 more rows. We can do 3 more rows. I'm gonna be really honest, y'all. Just watching how much I am yawning and just just giving myself words of encouragement. Like, this is the funniest thing ever. Like, I don't even understand how all of this is getting done, but we're doing it, and it's Tuesday. We got 2 more days until Thursday. I have a few announcements. I did wind up getting the announcements out for what's happening, and you get to see that now. Hello everyone, it's Tiffany here from Carvello Crochets, and I have an announcement. So first is the heavy hitter cardigan. Your designs for the heavy hitter cardigan are coming out
in 2 weeks, and you will be able to order yours if you want one on January 3rd. That is when they will be restocked and available for custom orders, but there will only be a limited amount. So make sure you get it January 3rd. 2 is my Never Basic Beanie pattern. I heard you all loud and clear, very, very loud, all 32 of you. I will be coming out with the pattern. I need 3 crocheters to DM me who want to be testers. You have to have it done by December 23rd. So if you are free, it doesn't matter your level because it's a beginner pattern, hit me up. Oh yes, one last thing. If you are interested in purchasing the Never Basic Beanie pattern, you will be able to during Kwanzaa. So from December 26th to January 1st, it will be $3.33 on my Etsy shop. It will go up to about $6 on the January 2nd, but you will be able to purchase it if you don't want to test. So I did hear you. I will get some testers. I want some testers just to make sure that I'm not crazy to take care of it and check it out. But then you will be able to buy it on the 26th. So yeah. I'm doing all of the things. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. And lastly, I am making myself boho pants for New Year's Eve. And I will start that I'll start making the cakes next Monday, and I will start crocheting them on December 26th. So if you are interested and you like my boho pants, but you want to make them with me, we'll do a little crochet along on TikTok Live, and we'll crochet and we'll get them done. And yeah, I'll have them in time for New Year's Eve. And then lastly, tomorrow is my anniversary. I've had Carvela Crochets for 4 years. We are a very successful business. We are very tired, but we get things done and we have high quality customer service. And you get constant compliments. Very proud of me. And I'm also very tired. Okay, bye.
You know, before I send off an item, I gotta take some pictures. So here's the photo shoot that I took in my hallway of this beautiful cardigan. It is going to be on sale, available for custom orders, and I'm so excited. It looks so good. I had to go downstairs to grab the buckles for the matrix hood. So I'm just cleaning up the ends and adding the buckle to the hood because it comes with snap buckles. Here is the final piece. Wow, that looks so good. If you're on TikTok, you know what happened with this, and it still came out really, really nice. I'm not going to tell y'all. Wow, y'all. So we just wrapped on the podcast that I will be featured on this week with Crochet Pudic with Jayrisha. Shout out to my girl. Thank you so much for that interview. It was really amazing. Just to be reflective on the things that I shared in our interview and, the information that we talked about, I'm really excited for that to come out because, period, it was really good. And I'm really happy that I had the opportunity. So I'm really grateful that she picked me and that she wanted me to be a part of this opportunity. I am rewriting my short bio because the one that I originally wrote was really drab. So when I finish editing it and making it look a little bit better, I'll come back and tell you what it said. Okay, we updated it and this is what it says. Tiffany Carvello, 34, from Philly and currently live in Maryland, is the owner and creator of Carvello Crochets. I began crocheting in 2018 and started my business in December 2020, now celebrating 4 years in business successfully. My custom clothing and accessories are colorful, handmade, and guaranteed to award you constant compliments. Monogram baby blankets and my Ariel's Crown ruffle hats are my signature piece, having sold over 25 of each. Carvello Crochets has released 4 easy-to-use crochet patterns, which are available on my Etsy shop and website, www.carvellocrochets.com.
Lastly, for your vlogging interests, you can find Tiffany on YouTube, giving you an inside scoop on her day-to-day hustle and bustle as a business owner and professor.
I spent my Tuesday night with my book babes. I also ate my Chipotle and was on TikTok working on this order. See y'all tomorrow.